Umasipala Wase Overstrand uthi uhlelo lokususa izakhamuzi kule mjondolo yase Die Kop lumi ngomumo njengoba umlilo usabhebhetheka ngamandla.
So the evacuation notice is preliminary, as we said. And then we get out the resources and stuff in place so that we can evacuate immediately. So we'll get a bus in, we get people to be on standby and get the bus out with the people through an area where it's more, where we can keep them safe.
Uthi basebenza ngokubambisana nabanye omasipala njengoba lo mlilo ungabhuleki.
Well, as you know, we have issued a code red 2 days ago. And what the code red basically means is that we need to get all of our resources in place, and we also need to get resources from other municipalities. That's why at present we have municipalities, Swartland municipality is assisting us, Drakensberg municipality, Stellenbosch municipality, and also Cape Winelands municipality.
Uma izakhamuzi zase Die Kop zibuzwa ukuthi kungani zingashiyi imizi yazo njengoba ziyiswa endaweni ephephile, ziphendule kanje.
So ikubelo asikafuni uhamba ngoba lo ufuna sigwadisini kwezi.
Siyazama kakhulu uba sipakishe mali sijonge umlilo ukuthi ubheka ngaphi, sijonge namaphara basibele phela zethu xa sipakishayo. Singabelwa nobelwa siyoyiba sipakishe kwangoku.
Kusenjalo e-Eastern Cape, inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi i-Eskom iqinisekisile ukuthi imililo yequbula equbuke ikhuka icekele phansi ingqalasizinda yogesi nokwenza ukuba kucime ugesi kwezinye izindawo.
Eskom wishes to inform the public that huge veld fires raging in the Kuga, Humansdorp and Sarah Parkman areas have caused a major power outage. 4 major Eskom power lines in the area have tripped and some are feared to have been burnt down by the veld fires.
Kubikwa ukuthi imililo yequbula esifundazweni sase-Western Cape isazoqhubeka kulezi inyanga eyintathu ezizayo, kanti uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi bazokwenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuyibhula.
It feels like the Western Cape is under attack. It's fires all over the place, big fires, runaway fires like in Pearly Beach fires. Last night the wind changed, and with the wind of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, pushing the fires towards the beautiful town of Elim. And I'm so glad that we managed to save that town, save the history, because there's a lot of history in that town. And then obviously in Franschhoek there's fires in Mossel Bay. Yes, we've lost a couple of houses in Mossel Bay, and I know there's a lot of sentiment, but we're very glad that we haven't lost a life yet.
Mossel Bay khona kubikwa ukuthi umlilo ucekele phansi imizi eyi-11 kanti kusihlwa izakhamuzi zixwayiswa ngokuthi umoya unamandla kungenzeka ubhebhezele lemlilo.
In Mossel Bay, while the fire is under control, there's still flare-ups, and the predictions is that there will be windy conditions tonight predicted. So we need to get all the resources in now to deal with the flare-ups so that we're ready when the wind comes through, that the fire don't pick up again.